Cryptography with Inverses by Raj and Grace. So today we're going to learn how to send a secret message across the world and no one else will know what it is except for you and the person sending it. So the first step is come up with your own secret message. Our secret message is that Come Back Shaq is divine, because it is. So how do you put that in a matrix? Well, first you want to make an encoding matrix, which we did, and ours is a 4x4. So then you want to assign a number to each letter. So since the alphabet has 26 letters, we assigned A as 26, B as 25, and so on. And since there are spaces, we assign spaces as 27 because we can. So then the next step is to put these numbers into a matrix so they make sense. So you have to be real careful because since your encoding matrix is a 4x4, you want this to be a four row, but as many columns as it takes. So we have that. We have 4 rows and 16. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So then the next step is to encode it. So the way you do that is you just multiply your message matrix with your encoding matrix. So then you have your secret message matrix. The way you do that is you take the first row, multiply it by first column to get the first spot. So 1 times 24 plus 1 times 12 plus 1 times 14 plus 0 times 22 gives you 50. So you put that right here. And you have to do that for every single one. So once you have your secret message, you send it to someone, they have to decode. So how do you do that? Well, you take the encoding matrix, you find the inverse. The way you do that is you take the matrix, you augment it with the identity matrix, then you row reduce it, and then you should get the identity matrix and then the inverse. And we have done that right here. So to decode the secret message, all you really do is just like take your decoding matrix, multiply that by the secret message, and boom, you'll end up with your message again. So the last step would be to just simply put them into letters again. So 24 is C, 12 is O, and so on until you write out the message.